This is the afternoon weather briefing. This is for Tuesday, the 6th of February. This is James Spann. Alabama's weather could not be better today. Some spots down in South Alabama hitting 70. The weather stays dry through Thursday, but then we'll bring in the chance of showers Friday, and the weekend will be wet at times. Let's look at all this new data coming in today. This is where we stand right now. This is the upper air look, and it's a high amplitude pattern. Got a big trough off the South Atlantic coast, a ridge across the central United States, then a big trough coming into the West Coast. And the ridge will be the story for Alabama in the short term. And I basically triple dog dare you to find a cloud in the sky today. Visible satellite view, cloudless. Alabama, Mississippi, Georgia, Tennessee, Louisiana. And we're going to be in dry air for midweek. There's a peek at the radar composite across the country. The east is dry, rain back in the southwest, where often it doesn't rain. Places like Phoenix, Las Vegas, Los Angeles, San Diego. But hey, look at these numbers. Wow, it feels good today. Look at the 60s. We should note the average high for this state for Birmingham is 57. It's 66 degrees at 2 o'clock. Huntsville coming in at 65. The same for Montgomery. Dothan, 66. And Mobile hitting 70 this afternoon. We'll see similar numbers on through Thursday. Here's a look at the watch warning map around the nation. Most of the issues are again today out west. Winter storm warnings, winter weather advisories, wind advisories, flash flood watches as the unsettled weather continues there. Also the chance of thunderstorms back in the southwest through tonight. That includes Las Vegas, Phoenix, Los Angeles, San Diego, but no severe storms are expected. This is tomorrow. There could be some thunder around the Four Corners back in the southwest over parts of the western high plains as well. And then on Thursday, day 3, how about some thunder for states like Minnesota, Wisconsin, upper Michigan, Iowa? Don't see that often this time of the year, but nothing severe expected. Here's a look at the rain for the next 7 days. And again, the weather turns wet at times Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Rain amounts for most of the state between 1 and 2 inches. So, model fans, here we go, the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow afternoon at 4. And we got the ridge in place over the east, the trough over the west. And, of course, with the ridge, it will be another delightful day. Much like today, we start the day in the 30s. The high will be in the 60s. South Alabama may be touching 70 in spots. So, this is Thursday. We're still dry. Highs mostly in the 60s. The sky partly sunny, and then Friday with the approach of a surface front that could kick off a few showers. Probably not that many, nothing too heavy, nothing too widespread, but a chance of showers on Friday. Mostly cloudy with highs in the 60s, and then the weather looks pretty wet on Saturday. Rain likely statewide. Heaviest rain probably over the northern half of the state. There could be a rumble of thunder. Don't expect any severe weather. That front stalls out with a southwest flow aloft. And again, the day should be mild, highs in the upper 60s and low 70s. So Sunday, we're seeing evidence there could be a lull in the rain as one wave moves northeast on the front. But still, we're going to mention showers on Sunday. And the next wave will come in here for Sunday night and Monday morning. This is Monday. And the GFS now depicting a 1,000 millibar surface low near Chattanooga with a big old batch of rain. And again, looks like that widespread rain with that feature comes Sunday night into Monday, maybe Monday morning. And yeah, we see that little blue patch around Memphis, the very deep cold core upper trough. There's really no cold air at the surface with this feature, but that might bring a little mix around Memphis. But again, I don't think that's going to happen here in Alabama. Just rain that will be ending probably Monday afternoon. The high Monday should be in the 50s. And a week from today, this is Tuesday the 13th, the zonal flow, and we're in a cool, dry air mass. Highs in the 50s, lows in the 30s, right where we should be for this time of the year. Let's keep going. Let's go on 10 days. This is Friday of next week, the 16th of February. Again, it's a zonal flow. And again, it's a dry air mass. So after Monday, all of next week looking dry and seasonal. In fact, here's a look at the temperature anomalies for Friday the 16th. And really for much of the nation, if you average everything out, pretty close to average. Here, maybe slightly below average. Up in the high plains, a little above average. But understand there is no sign of that brutally cold Arctic air all of next week. None of that Barney purple color in the continental United States. So here's a look at the rain for Birmingham coming off the European ensemble. The mean between 3 and 4 inches between now and the 21st of February. Temperatures, and this for Birmingham, your number could vary. Will be basically in the 60s through Sunday. And look at Saturday, 68. We'll probably see some low 70s for the southern half of the state. And again, next week, very seasonal. Highs in the 50s and lows in the 30s. And I know your favorite Facebag Rogue weather page is predicting a blizzard next week, or 20 below zero or something. But again, you can see that we don't see any sign of Arctic air for the next 10 days. But again, the pattern favors below average temperatures. This is the brand new 8 to 14-day guidance. This is for the 14th through the 20th of February. And again, we're in the blue, temperatures below average. But understand, a below average day would be a high of 50 and a low of 30. That's below average. So again, just don't get too hung up in the hyperbole. And I do think we'll see some pretty good cold pops in later February and March. We always do. But again, that's the general idea based on pattern recognition. All right, you know what we got to do. We got to roll that Children's of Alabama Kid Cam. Yeah, buddy. AES, Alexandria Elementary School, Calhoun County, home of the Valley Cubs. Those are the kindergarten students. We had a great time today, and ooh, I like that cookie cake. That's awesome. And look at the shirt there. Your local weather prophet. I'll look good wearing that thing. But love coming to Alexandria. I've had a chance to see the kids out there many, 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 many times over the years, and that's just a great school with a great teaching team, administrative team. So, again, to all of the students and the teachers there at Alexandria Elementary School, thanks a lot for the great visit today. You guys are looking good. So, tomorrow I'm going to be in Hoover at Simmons Middle School, and then I will be headed to Children's of Alabama for Weather Wednesday, a program for the patients and their families there. I always love coming to Children's. And then after that, we'll be speaking to the Alabama Virtual Academy, a group of students statewide that are online, and that'll be good. Then Thursday, Bryant Park Elementary School out in the Clay Chalkville area. And then on Friday, Eva Elementary School, which is in Morgan County. That'll be a lot of fun. And then on Saturday, don't forget, it's the Rocket City Weather Fest up in Huntsville at UAH. And I'm going to be speaking at 10:15. And what I like to do sometimes is to do a case study. And we're going to do a study of the March 25th, 2021 tornado outbreak. We had multiple long-track tornadoes in the state. 6 people were killed. We'll take a look at the meteorology, the setup. We'll take a look at the watch warning process, what went right, what went wrong, what we learned. And those are always interesting to me. It's to go back and figure out what could we do better. And then after that, it's a book signing from 11 until 1 on the campus of UAH. And again, I'll post the specific buildings and locations up on the social site. So again, that's the Rocket City Weather Fest in Huntsville Saturday. And of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, right across the hall in Studio A, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.